This is a new piece for this year, all lab made, custom piece, Angry Bird. This piece is for the sale. Like I always said, we bring something new, something different. For this new year, if you want to be different, you can fly and you can be angry. That's Angry Bird. All lab made, hand set stones. All lab made diamonds. The big diamond in the eye, champagne on the bottom with a yellow and white beak. This piece is gonna be the hottest piece of this year. If you want to make your own custom piece, call us back, we can make it for you. Or if you want to be different, let us know, we can make it for you, anything. Call us back before this one fly. 404-523-3399 Chris the Jeweler. Any kind of a custom piece you want to make, anything you want, we got you for solo, you can say no. 404-523-3399 Chris the Jeweler. Look at the details on the beak. Look at the details on the eyes. The whole 3D piece. 404-523-3399 Chris the Jeweler.